Good morning. Hi guys. It's early in the morning and I wanted to do a gardening video for a long time. I thought today is a good opportunity. I woke up so early this morning. Woke up like 4 o'clock in the morning because I did a yoga last night. Then I fall asleep on my mat like 8:30. Then I went to bed just like after 9. So I had a good 7.5 hours sleep. I woke up just before 4 and I thought I just gonna get up and did a few reading, reply some emails. Then I thought I'm gonna do the gardening video for you guys today. My sister-in-law's garden, she was cutting the bamboo, so I saved a couple. Actually grow really well. This is pea shoot. I have eaten a couple of meals and then suddenly it's really wet and start to rain and hot. I think it just didn't really grow well after that. This is I don't know what plant is this. If you know, you can tell me. But it smells like a lemon. It's really lemony, kind of lemon minty smell. My planter, I've got some lettuce, which actually growing really well at the moment. I've had some lettuce already for salad, also stir fry. This is basil. In Chinese we called 你知道在中国我们用的紫苏，这是西方的一个紫苏。It's kind of like Western style of 紫苏。Parsley is also like you can use in your pasta. Herbs. Okay, my fruit trees. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have got 5 fruit trees. I bought small plant. They are dwarf trees. I bought them last year during the pandemic, and you can see now they're actually growing really well. Look, I've got little apples here to stop the ants climbing up. They need to get better today because I squashed the other day as well. Oh, my spring onions I've been putting around here growing so well. It is right, spring onions. Oh look, spring onion shoot. 这是一个什么？蒜苗。I think this is my best apple. 这个苹果是最大的一个。This is a pear tree. Again, I got some problem with it. Look, looks like it's dying. Cherry tree in town. This one is plum for sprouting broccoli. You know what happened to those two? Basically, the caterpillars launched them. Yesterday I saw a big caterpillar. Oh, here. Look, that caterpillar is so big. I guess I'm not eating those ones anyway, so I just feed those caterpillars. I don't mind. In this tray, I have random selection here. Those are actually carrots. You can actually eat those leaves as well. Yesterday, I used the carrot leaf in my flatbread. The dough still in my fridge. I'm going to try today, see how it tastes. I used carrot leaves with spring onions together and put in the flat bread. And this parsley. In this tray, they all are grown in all these things in here from seeds in springtime. And some more spring onions. And I think this is a coriander, but it's flowering today now. Actually, the coriander flower quite pretty. 这是一颗盐西菜，叫盐西菜吗？开花了。This tray little turnip，我们中国叫水果萝卜 ，little turnip。But I think it just got hot really suddenly, and it's all flowering. So the problem is because it's flowering. The turnip actually quite tough. It's not really nice at all. Last time I had a bite of one. However, I've been really enjoying the tender leaves before it become so bushy. I've been just eating like a little small tender leaves, like a veg stir fry. It just tastes really nice. And I do have a mint plant inside here somehow. Oh look, my mint is here. 这是什么啊？薄荷。OK， 这个是绣球花 ，Hydradania。Can't remember the English name. 绣球花。这里有一盆芦荟。This aloe vera. I don't know. I just left one outside. This looks like little chai, like vegetable chai can stir fry. My bay leaves, which grows really well actually. I had this little bay tree 2-3 years now. Actually, I reported this spring, and actually, it's done so well at the moment. Okay, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna show you my backyard, back garden sometime soon. Okay, bye bye. Have a lovely day.